This is the Williams trial.
Okay, thank you. Madam Court Reporter, are you ready?
You have to wait.
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, thank you. All right, you go.
You have to wait. Put it on mute.
The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no smoking, no talking, no chewing gum, no sleeping or laying down, no driving or riding in a moving vehicle. At this time, please put your device on mute so that please put your device on mute until you are addressed by staff. Also, put your device on a surface level so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. All right, I'm gonna call this matter first. People of Joseph Yusuf. Where you going, Mr. Yusuf?
He's a little hard of hearing and,
Okay, I think they're trying to help him put it on a more level surface.
well, I think that he was slouching over on the couch, so.
Okay, I got you, sir. Now call this matter of the people versus Joseph Yusuf. This is case number 2. Yes, sir. I'm calling the matter 214153111. This is one count, lead scene of accident, property damage. Appearances for the record, starting with the APA for the Wayne County.
Please the court, Paula Cole, P31888. On behalf of the people, and I also have Anthony Williams, Officer Anthony Williams here.
And I'll
Oh.
Go ahead, Mr. Roper.
Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Yusuf, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning. And Mr. Yusuf, can you state your name for the record, please?
Tell her your name.
Joseph Yusuf.
All right, this is the date and time set for a bench trial in this matter, if I'm not mistaken. How are we proceeding?
Your Honor, I had a chance to have a conversation with Officer Williams, and at this time we would like to dismiss this matter with a stip to probable cause.
All right. All right, any objection for that, Attorney Soroki?
Your Honor, no objection, so stipulated.
All right, so at this time, the court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. What that means, Mr. Yusuf, is that at this time, they're going to dismiss this case. They can refile it if they want to, but it sounds like they're dismissing it today. Okay, sir?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Have a good day, everybody, and be safe out there, officers.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Go ahead. Good luck with your trial, Attorney Cole. All right. Attorney Soroki, Mr. Gillis just walked in, so you should have some more offers soon, okay?
So, Mr. Gillis, Mr. John Webb has his insurance, so.
Okay, does he have registration?
I only have, it's funny on my dock, I'm sure he does, but I only have the insurance ticket on my docket.
Okay,
So it's, all
give a insurance and a registration ticket.
right, let me go back in there. I'll ask him real quick before you write it up.
Okay, thank you.
John?
Yes.
So I did see insurance for now and registration for then. So I think,
Okay,
thank you.
that works. Thank you.
They call me stuff. No, that's me. That's what I brought from home. Yeah, all kinds of mess. You ain't the Okay. Okay.
Rosemary Williams,
Okay.
Rosemary Williams, the person on the iPhone,
Yes,
what is your name, ma'am?
Laquita Wallace.
Sounds Miss Wallace on the docket.
She was, were you in the breakout room?
Yes,
Okay,
Sorry.
We lost Miss Wallace.
Here, she's here, she accidentally clicked off or her phone may have died or something. So
Okay.
we just, let me see if she actually went back to the breakout room. She went back to 5.
Just from like, from passing.
Okay.
You know?
So on her ticket, I need to know what the allegations are, because it just does disorderly.
Right there.
Okay.
I don't
On her
recognize that.
ticket, it's that she was cursing out a known black male, calling him the yelling on the bus in front of women and children patrons.
When was it, Judge?
That was on December the 9th, 2014.
Isn't that an automatic? All right, what's the other one? The other one is,
Is enter or remain on private property while closed. It must be in the park after dark. And
and
that's
one,
that's from '07.
all right, so John,
No, she listen, Mr. Roki. Listen, she gets the half.
Judge, come on now.
These people get on my nerves who don't never come back to court, and then when they come back to court, they don't have to have no consequences.
Well, I appreciate that, but I know, we wear different hats, so.
I know, talk to John.
So,
I just had to say my piece.
Ms. Soroki, our policy per Shannon is, it's 10 years for dismissal. The state's is 7. So there's always a little confusion between the two.
All right. So we'll, okay, thank you.
Lord, we got to keep our lives together. She's not connected to audio. You can, I don't know if you can send her a chat. We should be able to send her a chat. I'll try and send her a chat.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Yes, thank you. This is nice.
No, she don't. I feel like there's more people in there before, and I have one for, Rick. I feel like one for, she had a building today, right? Thank you. Yeah, they have to come to the building. Okay, I'm ready. You ready? Okay. You want? She said they got work. Oh, really? Yes. God bless America. Oh, wait a minute, Yana, who you be? What happened to Ashley Williams? And I don't know. It's not my because we just had an investigator there. What happened? I didn't know what. He was an investigator.
I don't know what I'm doing.
There you go, Miss Williams. We can hear you now.
Oh, okay, sorry. Okay, good morning. How you doing?
Hi, Miss Williams. I'm fine. How are you doing? Did you struggle to get on media this morning?
Yes, ma'am. I had to call my cousin to ask her to help me because I didn't remember it, but I glad that I did because I almost forgot about it.
Okay, Miss Williams. All right. So now you have your audio. We'll work on getting you back on film, but I saw who you were, so I'm not gonna stress about that right now. We need to get an offer for you. Yeah. Oh, we got an offer for you. Okay, so I'm gonna put you into what's called a breakout room. Attorney Soroki is gonna come in there and talk with you. It may take her a little bit of time to get in there because she's talking to everybody who is here this morning, but we're gonna have her talk to you about your case and your matters. When I put you into this breakout room, no one's gonna be in there. You'll be in there by yourself, but I promise she'll come in there and talk to you about your case, okay?
All right, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Very well. I got it. All right, I'm gonna put you in breakout room. You're gonna have to join number 8. Did it tell you to join breakout room number 8?
Let me see if I could bring this back up. It went off on me. Oh my gosh.
If not, I'm gonna put you in 2. Does it say join room 2?
So let me see. Break up. My phone is taking me. Okay.
Your Honor, all the other matters except that one are ready.
Okay. You wanna talk to her real quick? It's a 12.
Well, there's an investigator here on that, so it's a trial, so.
It is. It's a trial.
Oh, I thought he was here for. Oh.
So I think maybe we'll clean out the other rooms if you want, and then just come back to this one.
All right, first we're gonna do Corporal Ambrose. Corporal Ambrose? All right.
Good morning.
Good morning. I used to give people an hour, but I'm gonna give them 45 minutes today because you're here on time.
Okay.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Lisa Washington. This is ticket number P661613. This is one count allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Today is the date and time set for a bench trial. Miss Washington is not here. Can I have your appearance for the record, Mr. Roper, please?
Good morning, Your Honor, and Corporal Ambrose, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ms. Washington.
And Corporal, can you state your name for the record, please?
Officer Brian Ambrose, badge 4151, Detroit Police Department.
Thank you. As I stated before, this is the date and time set for a bench trial. I have checked in the courtroom. No one's here but my staff. I'm looking in the breakout rooms right now. I do not see Miss Washington here, so the court is going to issue a bench warrant because she did not appear. Bond will be set at $0 personal. All right, thank you. This concludes this hearing.
Thank you.
They said out there.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You too. All right, you said everybody else is ready except for Miss Rosemary Williams, right?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna start the hearing. Wow. All right. All right. Mr. Williams,
Yes, ma'am.
there's one state ticket, but I'll add that to the dismissals, okay?
Thank
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
Now calling the matters of people versus Jaime
Jatim.
Williams. Jatim Williams. Oh, that's a T. Thank you. Jatim Williams. This is ticket number 719-126. One count, no operator's license on person. Ticket number 493233. Count 1, no operator's license on person. Count 2, no insurance. U ticket 336-54116. This is one count and remain in park after dark. Ticket number P10400639. Count 2, drive while license suspended. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroka on behalf of Mr. Williams.
Mr. Williams, can you state your name for the record, please?
Jatim Williams.
All right.
Your Honor, I did have the opportunity to discuss these matters with my client. There is a pretrial recommendation at this time. My client's waiving his rights, asking the court to adopt that.
All right. Is that right, Mr. Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
If so, please raise your right hand.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Williams, did you have an opportunity to talk with an attorney? That would have been Mr. Ropi in private today about your case and about your rights?
No, I only talked to this the other young lady.
Ms. Soroki, right? She's an attorney. She may not
Oh,
have
yeah.
told you that.
Oh, my apologies. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty, sir?
I'm sorry?
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna first take your attention back to the day of, let's see, August the 10th of 2016. Were you in the area of Connor and Claire Point, that's Mariners Park in the city of Detroit?
It was Maharis.
Maharis Park, were you in that place?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were in that place, were you in there after dark?
Yes.
Okay. And then looking at, take your attention to the date of November the 14th of 2019. Were you driving at that time a Ford vehicle in the area of East Warren and Gratiot in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did it not have any car insurance on it at the time?
Yeah. I believe, I can't really remember, but I don't know. It may not have. It may not have.
I'll stipulate to the face of the complaint as a factual basis, Your Honor, due to memory issues.
Okay, 2 to you. Okay. All right. Well, the court is satisfied. I'm sorry, Mr. Ropi, are you satisfied?
I am satisfied, Your Honor.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated.
So at this time, the court is going to dismiss ticket P104069, count 2 only. Ticket number 719-126, count 1, and ticket number 493233, counts 1 and 2. Sir, the fine, you paid a fine for the disregard signal red or amber on the ticket 10-406-939. So the court isn't going to give you any fines or costs on that particular ticket. However, on the end of parts after dark, it says that it's a 3-month, it's a delayed sentence, which means after I assess a fine, a cost and a fee, that matter will be closed as soon as you pay that. Okay?
Okay.
Are you currently employed?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna assess a fine. And the amount. $200. How long will that take you to pay?
I can pay it by Thursday.
Okay,
No, can we make it Friday? I'll pay it Friday.
I'm gonna have to do no later than a month, okay? That way, if
Okay.
anything comes up, you'll have a month to pay it. So it's gonna be due by July 6, 2022, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
As soon as you pay it, it's gonna be closed, okay?
Okay.
We'll look in the system on that date to make sure that it's been paid and we close it. Okay, yeah. So if you pay it by July 6th, and we see you paid it by July 6th, we're just gonna close it out. We're gonna dismiss it, not close it out, we're gonna dismiss it.
Yes,
Dismiss
ma'am.
it, okay? All right. You have any questions, sir?
All right. So I just want to make sure. So that's the only thing that I have to pay by July 6th.
That's correct, because I didn't assess a fine and cost on the other ticket because you paid for part of that ticket already.
Yes, ma'am.
Yep. So I just
All right.
assessed 200, okay?
Yes, ma'am. And everything else, I just want to make sure everything else will be dismissed.
Everything else will be dismissed that I said on the record.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. I do
Look at that
appreciate it.
smile on your face. Look at you trying to get yourself back together. I
I'm-
appreciate it.
I'm trying. I promise you I am.
I know. I can tell when people start smiling like, that's it, I'm getting close. I understand. So good luck to you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Have a good day.
You as well.
I will. Thank you.
All right. Bye.
All right. Mr. John Webb? You can unmute yourself.
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus John Webb. This is case number SP 1167791. And count one is drove unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Webb.
And Mr. Webb, please state your name for the record.
John Webb.
Your Honor, Mr. Webb has provided the appropriate documentation. The recommendation is for dismissal, and we stipulate to probable cause.
Right. And I do have the recommendation for dismissal without prejudice, so the court is going to grant that request today. Mr. Webb, make sure you always have all your information on you when you keep everything up to date, okay?
Yes, thank you.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set. That case has been dismissed. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're very welcome, sir. You did it, so good luck to you, okay?
Because I'm recovering from a stroke, that's why my voice fucked up.
Oh, okay. I was about to say, well, good luck to you, okay, sir? I pray your strength and health as you continue to recover, okay?
Okay, thank you very much.
You're very, very welcome, Mr. Webb. Have a good day.
You too.
Ms. Wallace?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna call your matter. Now calling the matter of the people versus Lakita Wallace. This is U ticket 178-10414. One count of disorderly conduct. Also calling U ticket 35990507. One count enter or remain on private property when closed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ms. Wallace.
And Ms. Wallace, can you state your name for the record, please?
Laquita Wallace.
Attorney Soroki?
Your Honor, the people have made a recommendation to my client. She wishes to avail herself of that.
Is that right, Ms. Wallace?
Yes.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Ms. Wallace, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
yes,
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
yes,
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward?
yes,
Okay. I want to take your attention back to the day of December the 9th of 2014. Were you on that time on a bus in the area of Michigan Avenue in the city of Detroit?
yes.
And while you were on that bus, did you act in a disorderly manner?
No,
All right, what do you want to do, Attorney Terrell?
Ms. Wallace,
yes.
do you remember this?
Yes, I wasn't on the bus. I was at the transit center getting ready to get on the bus, or was actually right in the transit center. I hadn't got on the bus.
So at that point in time, were you acting disorderly?
Yes,
Thank you, Your Honor. I'm satisfied.
And the court is satisfied as well. Is there a stipulation for probable cause? for
So,
the Rankin County business?
so stipulated.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to one count, disorderly conduct. I'm going to dismiss the other ticket 35990507. Okay, Ms. Wallace, why did they have you all in the tipsy that day?
why did they have what?
Why did they have you all upset that day? Sorry, I was tipsy that day.
No, that particular day of the accident, a guy kept trying to talk to me. I didn't want to be bothered with him. He pushed me. And I was getting ready to get up on the bus, and the guy just kept trying to come at me. And then the officer came, and everybody out there witnessed that it wasn't my fault. And the officer wrote me a ticket because the guy was drunk at the transit center.
All right. You say I do community service for these type of tickets. Are you gonna be able to do community service, ma'am?
No, on my health, I'm not able to do any community service back.
Your Honor, she does have a $200 bond posted.
All right, so the court is gonna assess the $200 bond. And then 3 months, as long as you pick up no new tickets, which I don't anticipate you picking up, this matter will be closed out, will be dismissed, not closed out, dismissed, because this is a 3-month delay sentence. So, I have to have a review. It's September the 6th, is that day? Yeah, I'll do September the 19th. September the 19th, 2022, for the review at 8:30 a.m., ma'am. As long as you have no new tickets, this matter will be dismissed. Dismissed,
Okay.
okay?
Okay,
All right.
thank you.
You're very welcome. Have a good day, ma'am.
So
Uh-huh,
she does not need to appear unless she has not paid or gotten new tickets, correct?
No, she does not. As long as you don't have any new tickets, we'll close it out that day, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, Ms. Wallace, you have a good day.
Thank you. So the one in that park was dismissed.
Yes, the other one was dismissed already.
Okay,
This
okay.
will be dismissed as long as you get no new tickets. So both of them will be
That's
dismissed.
September the 19th.
Yes, and you can sign back on if you would like to. You don't have to as long as you don't have any new tickets. But if you sign back on it, just remind us, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
You're very welcome, Ms. Wallace. You have a good day, okay?
You too.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Dharma, how you leave this?
You want me to sign you out? I'll sign you out, okay? Oh, got it, okay. Come on. Okay. Here they go. All right. All right, Ms. Walker, you can activate your camera.
Yes, I can. Okay, I got it on.
All right.
Here, let me sit down first. Hold on. Okay.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Marika Walker. This is ticket number P 111-16150, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ms. Walker.
Ms. Walker, please state your name for the record.
Marika Walker.
This is the date and time. All right, how are we moving forward, Attorney Soroka?
Your Honor, the people have made a pretrial offer to my client. At this time, she wishes to avail herself of the same.
Is that right, Ms. Walker?
Yes.
If so, please raise your right hand. The other right hand.
Yeah.
Do you
Sorry.
swear or to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Ms. Walker, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yeah.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, you still want to move forward, Ms. Walker?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of November the 26th of 2020. Were you in the area of Shane and Robert Bradley Drive in the city of Detroit driving a Hyundai vehicle?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you not have any car insurance on it at the time?
No, not at the time. I didn't.
So it satisfied, Attorney Soroka?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
There's stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates. I'm going to dismiss count 3 on this particular ticket. Ma'am, my fine is usually $200. Are you able to pay such a fine?
200. Yes.
All right, I can give you 30 or 60 days to pay that. How long do you want, ma'am?
60 days, please.
All right, I'll give you until August the 8th of 2022 to have that paid, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. You're all set, Ms. Walker.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.
Mr. Robert Ward? All right. I muted you. Unmute yourself. All right, there we go.
Yes.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Robert Ward. This is U ticket 619733021. This is one count of engaging another for the act of prostitution. This is the date and time set for a bench trial. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of the defendant.
And sir, can you state your name for the record, please?
Robert Ward.
Your Honor, this is a day and time set for trial. I do not believe the people are ready to proceed at this time. I move for dismissal. And I believe my client understands that this charge could be reissued if it is dismissed by the court today.
Okay. All right, the time is now 10:06 a.m. No officer having appeared for this matter, the court is going to grant that request and dismiss this without prejudice. Mr. Ward, as your attorney informed you, they can refile this matter if they would like to. But as of today, it is dismissed without prejudice, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. That concludes this hearing.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome. work out the Rosemary Williams. I gotta go run and do a couple of matters on another docket. I'll be right back.
Okay, Judge, just read me the face of the ticket.
Okay.
We have it. And, you know, just the pertinent.
Yep, it says any person who has custody of an animal shall prevent the animal from engaging in nuisance, menacing, potentially dangerous or dangerous behavior. It doesn't tell what happened. Sorry.
It doesn't say what the danger.
No,
Okay, thank you.
you're welcome. Sorry.
Did you just check?
I was just checking.
Am I good to get off of the camera?
Yes, you can go, Mr. Ward. Have a good
Okay.
day.
You too. Thank you.
Alicia? Alicia?
Say something.
Hello,
Yes, what's your name, sir?
Richard Walker. Richard Walker.
Richard Walker. Mr. Walker, did you just sign in?
Yes,
Okay, because you were scheduled for a trial at 9 o'clock. For hour late.
say it again.
Your court date was scheduled, your time was scheduled for 9 o'clock. You're an hour and a half, or you're an hour and 5 minutes late. You're scheduled for a trial today.
I didn't know that.
Yes, you were scheduled for 9 o'clock.
So I had to come down there.
No, just hold on 1 second, okay?
You can't hear.
Mr. Walker, there's no eating, you're in court.
Excuse me?
There's no eating, you're in court.
Ending?
Eating.
Eating,
Oh,
no
okay.
eating.
Yeah,
Mr. Walker,
my mom has Alzheimer's and I'm the primary caregiver. I
I'm
got
sorry to
something
hear
to
that.
watch just for time for me to go to my daughter's house to do this.
Right, okay. Mr. Walker, is there any way you can put on a shirt over your white beater?
We got a jacket. Give me that green jacket right there. Okay. Put it over my bowl.
Thank you, thank you.
Sorry about that. My arm broke.
That's okay.
If John happens to appear, I need to talk to him, please.
He's here.
I'm here.
All right, John, we're gonna have to talk about this dog case. So can you, when you go somewhere, can you zoom in?
Yeah, absolutely.
I mean, the judge stepped out for a second, so we got a few minutes.
Okay, I don't know if I saw that file this morning. What defendant is
Oh,
it?
it's on the desk. You need to see it.
Hey, Mary. Miss Soroka, which breakout room do you want?
I can go in any room. Let's go in 3.
Good morning. Is Animal Control Investigator Green available?
How you doing?
I'm good. Yourself?
Great.
Just see if you could do you have the ability to join one of the breakout rooms.
How do you go to the breakout room?
So let's see. I'm on a phone. I have a little icon that just says join breakout room, and you click on it, and then you can usually select one of them. Do you see that?
I can put him in there, John.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, okay. So Miss Edwards is gonna put you in one. Mary, which one should I go to? Is he in 3?
Yes, he's in 3.
Oh.
Yes,
Okay, thank you.
you're welcome.
Mr. Oki?
Hi, John.
Hey, so I spoke to Investigator Green. We don't have the contact information today. So, I mean, we'll be asking for adjournment. I'm sure you'll probably object. And I guess depending on what the judge decides, we'll either adjourn or he'll just reissue once he has the contact information of the parents.
Okay.
Okay.
I mean, but they weren't there either. So, you know, I mean, I get it.
Yeah. Yeah. I just, I got to reach out to him, try to do my due diligence. So,
Right. She said that she paid for the hospital and she compensated the kid too. So they didn't sue her or anything.
oh, okay. So yeah, they may have already resolved.
Right.
But-
So yeah, I just don't think they found it to be, they handled it
Gotcha.
amongst themselves and.
Okay, well, that's
Okay, so
fine.
I'll let her know, and then when the judge comes back, and then this other gentleman, I think, is here for a trial with no officer, so.
Okay.
As far as I can tell. Okay, thanks for looking into
Alright.
that, John.
Yeah, no problem. Thanks for letting me know.
All right. Madam Court Reporter, you still with us?
Yes, I am.
Okay, ma'am, I'm gonna do these last two matters. Thank you for your patience this morning.
No problem.
Oh, John.
Yes.
Can you try to file it?
Oh, I said it right there.
Oh,
Yep, these are ones for tomorrow.
oh, okay, thank you.
Yep.
All right. I'll do Richard Walker first. Now
Yeah,
calling the matters of the people versus Richard Walker. This is
Yeah.
ticket number 1208223. This is one count of leave scene of accident causing property damage. This is here today for a bench trial. We also have on the docket U ticket 50384819. This matter is a review for a disorderly conduct that was pled to back on the date of November 18th of 2019.
yeah, I'm still,
Mr. Walker, let me finish first.
okay.
Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Struggle, behalf of Mr. Walker.
And Mr. Walker, state your name for the record.
Richard Walker.
All right. As it goes with the bench trial schedule for today, what is your pleasure, Attorney Soroka?
Your Honor, it is a date and time set for trial. I do not believe the officer appeared. I'm moving for dismissal of that matter.
All right, at this time, it is 10:34 a.m. No officer has appeared on this matter, so I'm going to dismiss this without prejudice. What that means, sir, is that as of today, this matter is dismissed. They can always refile it if they would like to, okay?
All right.
All right. How are we moving forward with this review, though, Ms. Attorney Soroka? Do you know about this?
No, I don't, Your Honor. I don't have any of that.
I can give you a little bit of information. It appears that he pled back, no contest, back on November 18th of 2019, and he failed to appear. He hasn't paid any of the costs and fines. He was assessed, to take 16 hours of community service.
I did
take
that
the
already.
disability- Take the misdemeanor morality class, and he was scheduled to do the HIV STI testing.
I did that too.
Okay, do you have proof of any of this today?
I sent it into the court, the community service, and my doctor did the HIV test. And I've been trying to schedule the class.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna give you a phone number. Can you take down the phone number to schedule the class, sir?
Yes,
Let me know when you're ready.
just let me have a pen. Go ahead.
313
313
879
879
2155.
2155. And that is,
That's the prostitution awareness class that you need to take, the misdemeanor morality.
oh, okay.
Okay? All right, I'm gonna try and verify all this other information, but you need to take that class. And did you pay the fine yet, sir?
No, so I sent to the court because I didn't want my money to get lost like the thing I sent for when I did the community service.
Okay, so you can either go online to 36districtcourt.org and pay it, or you can physically have someone bring you down to the court and pay it on the first floor.
All right, can I pay a portion of it?
Yes, because I'm gonna give you some time, because you're gonna have to come back for a review, because I need to make sure you take the class. I'm gonna give you more than enough time, okay? If I give you 2 months to try and pay that fine and to take the class, you think that's enough time, sir? Or you need more time than that?
Yeah, because I'm trying to get my mother in a nursing home. She's from down south, and all of her information is messed up, and I can't get her proper ID for Michigan. Therefore, I'm having problems along with her. I'm taking care of her by myself. So she got Alzheimer's and dementia.
So if
I
I give you
can't-
3 months, is that enough time?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna have you come back for a review. I need that money paid and the class taken, okay?
All right, will I come down? Do I come down there?
No, it's all on Zoom, but I need you to take, now the class is in person though, okay? So you're gonna have to go to the class in person. But we need to try and find out this other information. So if you sent it to some place, we need to try and find out where you sent that information to the HIV and the community service so that we
The
can have that.
HIV is at my doctor, is with my doctor. I can get that for you anytime.
Okay, we need all that information, and the community service, we need too. I'm gonna
I
see you
did.
back. Huh?
I mailed in the community service. I did it at the church on was it Hubble and Chicago.
Okay, I'm gonna try and find that in the meanwhile, okay? So
All right.
September the 18th at 8:30 a.m., okay? That gives you 3 months and a little bit of time.
All right, September 18th. Write that down for me.
19th, sir, September 19th,
19th.
okay?
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, I'll see you back that date, okay, sir?
All right.
All right. Ms. Williams? Okay, go ahead, unmute yourself. Yeah. I'm asking you to unmute. Hit that unmute button. There we go. All right.
Good morning.
Good morning. Now calling the matter of the people versus Rosemarie Williams. This is B ticket 124535. This is one count of Any person who has custody of an animal.
So, dog at large.
Dog at large. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of the defendant.
Ma'am, can you state your name for the record?
Rosemary Elena Williams.
This is the date and time, and also I have an officer here today as well. Investigator Dale Green, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Dale Green. Today's date is 6/6/2020.
All right, this is the date and time set for a bench warrant in this matter. It's my understanding, I also have City of Detroit Attorney. Can you state your name for the record?
Good morning, Your Honor. John Gillis, P79500 on behalf of people.
All right. Mr. Gillis, this is the date and time set for a bench trial in this matter. How do you want to proceed?
Your Honor, after speaking with Investigator Green, there was a minor child who was a victim in this matter. So we are going to be trying to reach out to the minor's parents to see if they could bring the minor in for, if they could testify, or if he could testify, or if they could testify on his behalf. We're unsure they actually witnessed the incident. So as such, we would be asking for a brief.
All right.
Your Honor, I'm going to move for dismissal. Today is the date and time set for trial. We're ready to proceed. My client's present.
All right, there's been no dismissal request or adjournment requested in this matter beforehand, so the court is going to grant a very brief adjournment. Ms. Williams, it's just so they can reach out to that family and see if anyone else witnessed it, or see if the youth is old enough to talk about this particular matter. So I'm going to set this for another bench trial, but on that date and time, that will be the last opportunity for them to actually bring forth the witnesses in this particular matter. I'm giving a brief adjournment until the date of July the 8th. So a little bit less than a month, over a month. July the 8th. If the witnesses do not appear for that matter, the court will entertain a motion at that point in time, okay? July the 8th at 9 a.m., okay, ma'am?
All right, Judge. Thank you very much.
And the file will indicate it's people's request.
I do. I'll indicate people's request. Okay? And I will honor my word with Ms. Williams. If they do not have the officer, have the child present, then they can make, the attorney that day can make the appropriate motion on your behalf. Okay, Ms. Williams?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Have a good day, okay?
All right, you too, Judge, and everybody have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am. Good luck.
All right, thank you. Bye-bye.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Take care.
Oh.